They know the flow's ill. The world's most amazing.
Step one.
Step one.
So basically, you filming? Let me know when you start filming.
Oh, dude, it's been filming.
Oh, so basically, I got these right here. These are the gloves. You want to have these on because you don't want to get your hands dirty. You don't want no cops following you. This is a stolen vehicle we have, our pants. We got it in Alaska. Alright, so I just put sunscreen on my hands, so it's can't open them right now. Alright. We have the filter. Boom! We have one of these guys. So this one's, again, sponsored by Mobile One. And I got this one because it's the extended performance.
Bro, I told you to get 10W30.
Fucking bitch told me to buy W30.
I guess we'll find out.
I guess we're gonna find out, but if not, I'm not going back to AutoZone. Giving them a bad review. Like I said, extended performance. Thank you, Mobile, for giving us this.
Thank you, AutoZone, for giving us the wrong one.
Alright, let's go, bro. Alright, so since we jacked it up here, we want to make sure it's safe. Yes. Alright, so it looks like we're good. We're going to put the stands right there as a second option. After that, pretty much, it's about to get dirty.
Gloves?
Oh yeah, I am allergic, but you know, gotta help them on me out. Damn, get any bigger ass gloves.
Loose fit or tight fit?
These are,
It's got that loose action.
this is so you won't get your wrist dirty.
Or you just got some on my hands.
As you can see, he's pointing at it with his right finger. He's touching it real good. Dude, why is this always harder than it is?
So now what?
Keep trying, dude.
Where's that big ass one?
Better cut that shit out. Forgot to give you guys a tour of my 92 Mustang. Ooh. I really can smell pussy up in this.
Oh shit!
I don't know if I should wipe it. Should I wipe it?
Yeah, wipe it, bro. You should have bought some cat litter. Should have bought some cat litter. Alright, stop.
Really?
Yeah. Bro, look what you're doing. You're just
Making
putting
it work?
in the fucking ground.
That's what I'm saying. Should I wipe it?
No, don't wipe it. I told you to stop.
Now I have to buy cat litter. Son of a bitch.
Do that again, but real slow.
Gay!
Like inside?
All around it. Inside, bro.
More now.
Yeah, put a little more. Mira, mira. You gotta go like this. Yo sé de vape.
Oh.
De vape. Mira.
Vape life?
Vape life.
Could have done it better.
Really?
Throw this down your kitchen sink. This is the best way to get rid of it. You use it in your mop. So you wipe the floor. Give it to your kids. Kids proof. You got one of the cops. Security guard.
What?
My God. We had a hot dog in there.
Fucking fire, bro. Just checking me out for sure. Check out the game.
Flex.
Don't tell another man to flex. Hurry up.
Hey, you got a little something there, dude.
Where?
In your pants, in your shorts.
You don't want us to live that crazy life? How do you put this down?
What's this? Wait. Mira, mijo. Jack is still there.
Why is the jack still there?
Why are you trying to put it down with the jack still there?
Is it good of me to take it off from here?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so how do you do this?
Slowly.
Twice?
Yeah, slowly.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my God. I was going super slow. Oh! My baby. Oh my God. Don't let anything touch it. Get a zip bag if you need one. So it's all the way in. Once you hear that noise, that means it's in correctly. You want to clean it off a little bit. Alright boys, you guys want to hear the sound of my car? Let's hear it. You can already tell the difference. It's so loud in here. The motor is right there though, but it's loud. We got one of my guys parking my car over there. Pretty cool. I use that usually on the weekends, Malibu Canyons. We'll shoot a video on that. My other baby over there. Please vote who you think would win. That car, we got a 499.5 Lightning right here versus this is the king right here, king of LA. LeBron James, he's not the king of LA.
That shit is nice.
Alright, so sunscreen is very important when you're changing your car. You do not want to get sunburned. Alright?
You'll end up like me. 6.
Tip number 2, you must have lunch. Alright? Got a banana. And you know we're in California. We got fucking mangoes. Alright? So you gotta make sure it's GMO, non-GMO. Alright? This one's definitely GMO. Look at the size of this. It's bigger than my balls.
Bigger than your dick, too. I didn't know the camera was rolling. My bad.
Hey.
I didn't mean to roast.